Where's your firearm at?
My firearm is in my trunk.
Is it a pistol?
Yes, it is.
Okay, you have a permit, correct?
I don't have a permit.
Well,
That's why I keep it in my trunk. Yeah.
Okay, what's your name anyway?
My name is Andrew Skinner.
What is it?
Andrew Skinner.
Andrew Skinner?
Yes.
Like the band?
No, Skinner, E-R.
Oh, Skinner. Okay.
Yes.
All right, well, Andrew, just exit the car. I'm going to call you Andrew. Is that all right?
Yep. Oh, my God. See this bullshit.
All right, Andrew, well, here, lay it up here so they can see me. Okay. I'm just going to pat you down real quick. And the firearm you say is in the trunk, correct?
That's correct.
What caliber is it?
It's a 9mm. I keep the clip in
Come
the...
over here so we don't... Okay, can you pop the trunk quick? Listen up.
You can pop it.
I don't know how.
Huh?
It's your car, I don't know how.
You said what?
How to pop the trunk.
You can pop it to the front right there. But hold up, wait. Before y'all search my car or anything, don't y'all need like a warrant or
I asked
something?
for your consent. That's
because
all I'm looking for.
I don't need to give you guys consent right now. I'm heading to Harrisburg.
No, you don't.
Like, of course.
Andrew, listen, you don't. I'm asking you for consent.
You guys can do whatever you need to do. If you need to bring somebody here and like get a warrant for my car or whatever, you guys can do that.
All right.
But I'm like literally in a hurry.
Okay, Andrew, listen to me. I'm looking for a gun. That's all I care about.
That's fine.
All right? Shoot straight for me. You got something dumb in there, like a little bit of weed or something dumb.
I don't have any weed in my car.
I don't care about something like that.
I left my weed in Monrovia, and it's legal in Pittsburgh. I don't have no weed
Andrew,
in my car.
listen. I'm not worried about anything other than someone that shot someone. That's all I'm worried about.
That's fine.
All right? That's all I care about.
I told you my whole trip is on my camera.
You watch it?
Yes.
Would you rather me watch that?
Yes.
Would you rather me sitting in the car and watching it because I don't know how to use your stuff?
I don't know how to go through it either, but it's all recorded. It's all recorded on my phone.
Does anyone know how to do anything? It's on your phone or on that phone.
It's on my dash thing. But like I said, can
we try to look at it?
Can you guys get like a warrant for my car?
Yes, we can get a warrant.
It
would take a while.
That's fine.
Okay, can we try to look at this?
You can get a warrant for this because this is
You won't give that to me now either, just to look at it?
Nope.
Okay. All right, tell them we definitely have a suspect then.
Now I'm a suspect.
Well, your car fits the description.
Okay.
You did tell me you have a firearm in the car.
I have a firearm.
Suspect does not mean you did it.
Okay.
All right, that's
so,
all.
like I said, we can go and you guys can get a warrant and we can watch this together and see exactly what happened.
Hey, that's cool with me.
That's fine.
I'm glad you cooperate as much as you can. Here's the thing. Where am I going to put you now to keep you warm for a little bit?
What do you mean? You want to put?
Well, we got to get a warrant to look for your car.
Okay. You guys see this? You guys see this? These are the people that be following me around in these unmarked cars. These are the people that tried to ram me off the road today. Anyways, I have it all on recorded on my camera right there. So if you guys want to go in and explain exactly what the fuck happened, but I need you guys to get a warrant.
Let me hold it. I'll explain to you. We're going to explain to you more.
It's not condescending at all.
I'm not.
It's very condescending right now.
Okay, well, if you think it is, that's your opinion.
It's not an
Okay,
opinion.
Andrew, we're going to get things moving now.
Okay.
Let me call news station.
Okay, call them.
See if we got any newer updates. Okay.
Call them.
So that's what we're going to do.
Okay. And we're going to watch exactly what happened on my camera because I drove exactly from Monroeville to here.
Andrew.
Okay.
Listen, I'm not a jail. I said you fit the description.
Okay.
Your car fits the description.
Okay.
You are the third car I've stopped in the last 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
With that being
And you said I still need to look at your footage?
That's correct.
I'm not trying to be smart at it with you.
Okay.
Why do you want me to have a warrant just for
Because
the video?
I want to show the world exactly what the fuck happened on my
I would really love to see what happened so I can rule you out.
Okay, cut you loose.
Yeah, I would really like to see so I can cut you loose.
So with that being said, go get the warrant.
It's going to take a while.
Why is it going to take a while?
Because
you can't call the judge or something?
Yeah, we have to call the judge. They have to type a warrant up, and then we have to go through all that.
Okay.
That's why. Okay, that's where we're at. Hey,
Okay.
what are you guys going to call him? Okay. Well, chill out with me here for a minute.
Okay.
Is your battery good? You need to charge it?
It's fine. You
Okay.
don't need to keep asking the same question.
Well, okay. Well, I just make sure because I know you want to record us.
I'm recording for my personal safety.
I understand
Like I
that.
said, I've been getting followed around and fucked with for the last 2 weeks. This is complete bullshit.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Well, like I said, that is the reason we stopped you today.
Okay.
I was originally sitting at mile marker 1015 East. I pulled a car over. It was a white kid car similar to this.
Okay.
He did have a little tint on his windows.
Okay.
We were looking for a white plate. He had PA tag, it was white in it. I pulled him over to 110, and from there we saw another vehicle fitting the description. Pulled him over back to Plaza. Did you see us on that stuff, baby?
No. I seen that you had skirted around when you seen my car and waited over there.
That wasn't me, actually.
That was definitely you.
No.
It was definitely you.
No, it wasn't
100% you.
Where was that at?
It was at this last exit.
At the Somerset exit?
Yes.
That
And
was
then
me,
he
sir.
followed me up
He
the
said that
road
was
and
him.
stuff.
That wasn't me.
Well,
me,
it
sir.
was one of you guys.
Yeah, well.
So for the same reason, because we're sitting, waiting, watching.
Okay.
for-
I understand that. I understand that. And we're gonna see what happened on my camera.
Do you know how to use that computer?
Yeah, I have a laptop with the little chip in and everything.
Why wouldn't you just go back and play it for us so we can get
Because
you-
I want to show the judge it. I need to. This shit's been going on for a long ass
Listen,
time.
I told you why we stopped you. I don't care about anything else at this moment.
Okay. And I just let you know what's going on.
Okay, well that's
From my
fine.
point of view.
I understand if you've been being bothered by people. I understand you're frustrated. Look at it from my point of view. That wasn't me though.
And okay, but look at it from my point of view. Somebody's trying to commit vehicular homicide on the highway.
They are.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Oh
they
yeah.
are.
Trying to ram me off the road and all type of shit. And
When
I
was
have it
this?
all-
When was
I
this?
have it all on camera. You're gonna see.
Now, when was this?
I have it all on camera.
When
What's up,
was this
y'all?
today?
What's up, y'all? I've made multiple videos on my Facebook about people chronically messaging me on the road.
Can I
This
see
is
some?
not a first time event.
No, seriously, can I see some?
You can say that you
No, can I see some
You can
of your videos?
after get the warrant or whatever.
Hey, what do they want?
That was Jim.
Okay.
He's gonna come here.
Okay. All right. Well, I said I'm sorry if you feel like you're being bothered. Like I said, you fit the bullets. That's why we stopped you.
That's fine.
Okay. Yeah, you said it's a 9mm. It's in the trunk because you don't have a permit, correct? Is it all intact or is it disassembled or anything?
It's disassembled.
Good for you. That's smart.
There's no clip in it or anything. Everything is, Y'all welcome to check my car. I said you're welcome to check my car for any shells or anything. Like
We can do that now.
you can do that right now.
Okay, you're fine with that?
I'm 100% fine with
Okay,
that.
you can stop us anytime you like. You understand that? Say we can look for shows. Anyone you particularly care for us to do it?
It doesn't matter.
Okay. All right. Who wants to look?
Do you want to look?
Yeah. Okay.